Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'm going to use these stencils. I've got this long back, but I never used this. So I was like, I'll use some of these and do some designs. So then the question comes, on which am I going to try it? So I'm going to try it on this cute, pretty jacket. I used to wear this when I was small. I still have it. I don't wear it now because it's too tight for me. Like I can wear it as an overcoat, but I can't, zip it up. You can see there's a zip here, so I can't zip it up. But yes, so here you can see at the front. At the front, you can see that there's design here, there's a design here, but at the back it's completely plain. So I'm thinking of doing some design here. So let's see what I'm going to do and let's let's start it. So without wasting time, let's begin. So as you can see, the jacket is here. I'm going to use these the Fevicryl acrylic paints on the, you know, for this design now. So let me try it. I've got, very uh, nice, simple colors. I like all these colors, light ones. So I'm going to use these. So let's keep it aside. And now let me decide which I'm going to use. These are the three stencils. I'm not going to use this obviously for now, the letters one. So I'll keep it aside. So these two have nice designs. So let me show you all the designs properly. So I think I'll use this one in the center. So it'll come out well. Like in the center, cute design, because since there's a flower here, flower type here, so I'm going to use this one. So let's open it now. As you can see, I've not opened this even once. This is the first time I'm opening it in front of you all. It's been years since I bought this. So here you go. It is self-adhesive. As you can see here, it's written self-adhesive stencil. So this thing at the back, I'll have to remove and stick it there. So let me see the center. Okay, guys. Sorry for the interruption. My mic charge had, completely gone to zero. So yeah. So now let us continue. I am going to use these acrylic colors. So let's open them. There are 6 pastel colors. I love pastel colors. They're so cute. Let's see. See, this is a little like, let's see, which is this? It is soft peach. This is purple, obviously. This is lavender purple. Okay. This is mint green. And let's see. No, this side. This is pale pink. This is aqua blue. And this is buttercup yellow. So since the jacket is pink, I am thinking of either purple or this aqua blue. I'm a bit confused. I think maybe aqua blue would look good. I don't know. Can you see this? The sparkling because of the light. I can see purple more. I'm a bit confused. Should I go with purple or let me see? Let me just figure it out. Careful. Oh, where's the other one? Why are you not coming out? Come out. Okay, done. Okay. So this is purple and this is aqua blue, which will go well with this. I'm confused. Let me just open it. Let's see this way. this. I'm still so confused. Pink and okay, I think I'll go with purple. I hope it comes out well. Let's see. So let's begin painting it. Here you go.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, I'm done with the painting part. Now, I hope it has come out well. So, let me take this off. Or should I wait until it dries? I think I'll wait until it dries. I hope it has come out well. It's not stuck properly, but okay. Let's wait until it dries and then I'll come back to you. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it seems like it has dried already. So, let us check it out. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, not bad. Let me stick it back to this so it doesn't stick anywhere else. Okay, done. Keep it aside. Look at this, it looks so pretty. What do you think about it, guys? Let me know in the comment section. I really loved it. It looks cute, it looks pretty. The color is also going well with it since it is pink and purple are like similar type colors. So yeah, I loved it. I really, really loved it actually. So I'll just keep it here to dry for some more time. It is dried, but still, I think you can see there's nothing on my hand. No paint. So it is dried, but I'll give it for some time. But yes, do let me know how did you like it. I'll maybe in the next clip you'll see me wearing it, and let's see how it looks. So let's go ahead. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I won it. It is actually very tight for me. You can see that it's not even coming here. So, yes, it is very old, actually, as I said. So, let's see now. You can see it. Do let me know how do you like it. I really liked it, actually, but obviously, I can't see at the back now. So, it's on you. Do let me know what is your opinion on this and how much would you rate this on a scale of 10 in the comment sections. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
My bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is